दोस्तों, auxiliaries to trade, the service which are provided for the exchange of goods are known as auxiliaries to trade. Example: transport, banking, insurance, warehousing, etc. It eliminates the problem which comes in production and distribution of goods. Auxiliaries to trades are services, generally services. Transport and communication. The goods are produced in the specific region, but the requirement is needed in the whole country. Example: tea is produced in Assam. मतलब कोई प्रोडक्ट स्पेसिफिक जगह में प्रोड्यूस होता है, लेकिन उसका रिक्वायरमेंट पूरा देश में होता है, तो पूरा देश में होता है उसका रिक्वायरमेंट, तो ये हम लोग को ट्रांसपोर्ट हेल्प करता है पूरे देश में पहुंचाने। बैंकिंग. Business can't start running by lack of funds. The finance should be needed for the purchasing goods and asset, etc. So this problem gets solved by the bank. Bank gives loans and also collect check discounting of bill and on behalf of our trader. Advertisement. Advertisement is one of the most important method of promoting the sale of product. It is not possible for the producer to contact each and every trade to for so we take help of advertising. It is the most important method. बहुत objective of business. The main objective of the business is to earn profit. Profit may be regarded as the essential objective because of many reasons. First, it is a source of income for the business person. Second, it can source of the finance for meeting expansion requirement of business. Third, it indicates the efficient working of business. And fourth, the last point is it can be taken as society approval of the utility of business. But too much focus about profit can also lead to some bad reputation about the business. Business manager may forget the responsibility towards the customer, employees. अगर सब फोकस करेगा खाली प्रॉफिट पे, तो बिजनेसमैन भूल जाएगा अपना रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कस्टमर के ऊपर, तो इसके कारण उसका कस्टमर उसकी दुकान में नहीं आएंगे और उनका सेल्स कम हो जाएगा, जिससे उनका दुकान बंद भी हो सकता है. बहुत कम ही ऐसा होगा. हार्डली any business whose aim is to maximize profit. Only aim is to maximize profit. Multiple objective of business. Since a business has to balance a number of needs and goals, it requires multiple objective. It cannot follow only one objective and expect to achieve the excellence. बिजनेस को बहुत सारा मार्केट पे देखना पड़ता है, एक जैसे मार्केट एक्सटेंडिंग, इनोवेशन, प्रोडक्शन, प्रॉफिट अर्निंग, फिजिकल एंड फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज, एंड द लास्ट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. Market standing shows the position of an enterprise in relation to its competition. Business enterprise must aim at standing on the strongest footing in terms of offering competition product to its customer and serving them to their satisfaction. Business का अपना मार्केट में रेप्यूटेशन होना चाहिए, वो कस्टमर को अच्छा से सर्व करेगा तो उसका रेप्यूटेशन अच्छा होगा, तभी कस्टमर उसकी दुकान में आएंगे, अगर वो सेटिस्फैक्शन देगा कस्टमर को तो। इसलिए मार्केट स्टैंडिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सेकेंड, इनोवेशन। It is the introduction of the new idea or services method in the way something is done or made. They are of two types. First, making of new services or products. Second, innovation of various skills and activities needed to supply product and services. New product बनाना लिए last, productivity. It is the comparison of the value of output with the value of input. In order to ensure continuous survival and progress, every enterprise aims at the greater productivity. Physical and financial resources. The business needs both physical resources as well as financial resources. Physical resources like land, machine, plant, एक्सेट्रा, एंड फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज जो वो होता है जैसे क्या फंड्स, मीन्स फंड्स टू बी एबल टू प्रोड्यूस एंड सप्लाई गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टू द कस्टमर. द बिजनेस शुड यूज इट इज़ वेरी एफिशिएंट. नेक्स्ट इज प्रॉफिट अर्निंग. This is the main objective of the business. Profitability refers to the profit in the relation to capital invested. Every business needs is to run. Without profit नहीं होगा, सीधा business चल ही नहीं सकता. बस profit करना business को बहुत ज़रूरी है. And the last point is social responsibility. It refers to the contribution of the business in solving society problem. बिजनेस को सोसाइटी के लिए भी कुछ करना चाहिए ताकि उसका रेप्यूटेशन बने रहे. Thank you for watching, my friends. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.